mamangdadi aina oina mangonda maitai style makeup tawgibani.
Yum.
Nungaijare.
Yeah.
Aduna ngasidi mana oina aingonda Korean style makeup.
So you remember when you hold my neck when you held my neck?
It's revenge time. Hello. Ngasigi video sidi NIngol Chakouba ga mari lainana special edition oina namjaba video ni. Video si series ani thokna lakani. Aigi video sing chang nai ne yengbiba natraga mamangda kaigumba video si yengbigiba haitare dumba miyoi singna di soina khangbiramgani. Haidi aina haukiba mamangi NIngol Chakouba amada maitai nupi amana Korean NIngol amada maitai gi style da makeup tawba adu loira matungda chaba thakpa tawminaba dumain tawna mamangda video namjaki.
Oh, you can say it in Korean too.
Hello, ngasigi video sidi NIngol Chakouba gi special oina namjabani. Aduna hanagi video yengkiba minadi lakadoriba guest asi kanano haiba soina khangbiramagani adu oiba targasu nauna yengiba viewers sing dadi ay amuk hana introduce tawzake magasi Korea dagini mamingna Maria kawi studio da lengsin binaba kauminarsi. Maria si ay hana mamangi video da su mayamna ubiramagni masi ay gi nupagi machanupi haitare aduna ikoi hojik imung manung haibidu oire mamangdadi aina oina mangonda maitai style makeup tawgibani aduna ngasidi mana oina aingonda Korean style makeup tawni aduna ai gi mai hojik makeup amta yaude sunscreen khaktang taiba khaktana tana aduna mana apamba mongda makeup si tawrsanu kaigino da Korean style ni aina zu mongda ai gi apamba mongda makeup style do tawgibda mana kepta haide aduna
Annyeong.
Oh my. That's you, no? Just do it. Just do it. That's you. Oh man. Okay, I'll just say it. Okay, I hope they got it.
Okay.
Nungaibo high grade mayam hojik mana aduna hojik makeup se hawrese.
First, we'll use the base. I'm not a makeup artist.
But you did makeup for weddings.
Shh. No, I never did that.
You did it.
Stop making things up.
The revenge is starting. Why doesn't it goes into your skin? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Why are we laughing?
So you remember when you hold my neck when you held my neck? Do they usually hold
Your breast?
clients' back of their neck?
I think I do.
Do makeup?
I think I do.
Come here.
I think I do. It's revenge time. It wasn't that bad. I did it like this. No. Don't put it on my teeth.
Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Don't make me look like geisha.
Yeah, that's the point. Gotta go as white as possible.
Wow. I think this shade must be at least 4 shades or 5 shades brighter than me.
You know,
This is kind of makeup for your clients. You should start it like 3 days before the wedding. No, I trust you.
Yeah,
Just kidding.
Just trust me. Just trust me. Okay. Neck up.
Howzik ay maida foundation taigre. Man howzik taiba foundation si L'Oreal gi infallible 24-hour fresh wear hai. Say the sunscreen ji yawe SPF 25 PA+++. Shade si budi ay natural shade tagi khadi ngawramani. Kay da ma masagi season na bag color ni na ay gadi kha khenare ba ko. Oh. Hey, why is your mouth like that? Up. Why is my mouth like this? Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, please look up. Thank you. Oh, I love this brand.
Eyebrow.
Lily by Red.
Yes.
Sisina pishum yang na bahai Sige brand say ay mamang do sisina kaya am nungay bani.
Wow, this color is very light on you. I'm sorry. I don't think this is Korean makeup. I think this is just...
I have a darker one. You want to mix with the anesthesia?
Sure. Let me just do the front part first.
Because I have like dark hair. That's why.
We need a darker one. Do you have yours? Or, oh, the Anastasia. Okay. Yeah, this one.
Pishum se moi samjina khara haidi light oi bani na ai gisna masagi haidi musin mu bani na ko haidi chana da bdo light oi bdo adu dugi da makta khara dark oi ba color oi na season ni.
Let's hope this works.
Aikoina matam bu da pishum je sangba matam da natraga pishum je oi matam da aikoina samje light oi ragadi aikoina pishum je khatang light oi hanba haidi chana han bai tare adu dugi aikogi pishum je na Mushin muraga samjina pura light oiragadi chana ba wat leba aduna akhina compliment tauna bagi damakta shade se chana ba season ba darka lei magi some color je khara light oi banina aduna magi pishum je ju mushin mu ba yeko matam da phazaroi ba natural oi ba aduna akhina pishum ga samga hair color je khara mana ba season ba darka lei hai tar.
Remember how you blamed it on my eyes last time? My eye shape is too small.
The eye shape is the problem.
Thanks.
You said it. No. I mean the eye shape and the shape of the taste. It's like this one's too big.
Wait, stop.
Catrice Key eyeshadow palette. Shades na mana the neutral shades oina tawe ba ko natural oiba color ngata ne khazitang haidi glitter amani budi yawe sinawren highlight taw this is na do ma lai na khanbada.
Korean's like very natural. And then go with a little dark eyeshadow. Never done this kind of eye shape, so it's a bit intimidating because you have double eyelids.
Wow.
So where do I put the eyeshadow? Okay. Okay, let me see.
Mid to manadaba in haidi akoi gi mid se akoi na kui na khanba taraga su moina amu khalle ba haidi akoi gi mid se lawe na aduna makeup taw da khara khenai hai tar.
Oh, this is Japanese. So these days they just put it on the outer.
Japan, Korea, sumba brand gi smile oina lai eyeliner je na season of the suyam nuai hai tar smile to eyeliner se machin je picture piaga taibada yam hena black tabado brown season black machu na taba.
Can you cover your eyes?
Sina mid ki mathakta shimmer kha taiba mid se khara ngan thokpa manaba.
Sorry, but we have no eyeshadow brushes. So we gotta use the same eyeshadow brush for everything. Okay, look at me.
You know, I've been looking for like shimmer like this that stands out.
Now we're gonna put highlight.
Yay! I really like this shimmer that you're using on my eye.
First time
Nice to get this. Really?
Yeah, but it's pretty nice. It's very shimmery.
Yeah, I like it. Highlight kitang sida natongi sida tawkre. Kisikna contour.
Koreans love their contour, just letting you know. So Koreans don't like cheekbone, by the way. So we're gonna hide this cheekbone.
It's like completely different from Western culture, right?
Yes.
I think you get really exhausted being a makeup artist in Korea. The slapping thing.
I will never be hired.
Let's take out my double chin until I start working out. You had a workout.
I'm literally sweating. Ooh. We are not making out, by the way.
No.
So everything blends in. Okay. So
Nice.
this is the color I normally use.
Oh, okay.
It's like Barbie pink. I know it's not gonna work on your skin,
yeah.
but
My undertone is different.
yeah, but you know, let's just have fun. You know what I mean? Okay. So you look like a newly born baby.
Wow! Newly born baby? Why do you want to look like a newborn baby?
Yes. So you look youthful. You know what I mean?
But why does it have to be the newborn? Is
Yes.
it too extreme?
Nope. Like a newborn baby's bottom. So just follow the natural shape, I guess.
I got a nose bridge.
I already have a nose bridge. Please look at my nose bridge.
I don't.
Stop.
Let's build a bridge for both of us that connects.
Stop saying you don't have this and that in front of me, okay? None of the things that we use, the
Color
color,
made for me. I know.
but just
Let's
like,
put more of this pink, no?
oh.
I don't care. Yeah. I don't care. Like,
Okay.
you know, it has to be shown in the video. Whatever you see, I think when you look in the camera, it's gonna be like way lighter. So let's just put more.
So there's this one. This is Peri Pera.
They have in India now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Their new blush line is very pretty. Just letting you know.
I tried their lipstick and it's nice. I like the shade too.
So you look like a sun-kissed baby.
A newborn baby who has a sun kiss. Nice.
And then
I like how it's turning out.
we're gonna kill any pigmentation that's visible. Lily by Red. So what Koreans these days do, they overline a little bit, but make it kind of blurry. So kind of like a smudged. Let's just put a little bit more sparkle
Oh, I like it.
at the bottom of your eyes. Oh wow. Woo!
Oh,
You look Korean, actually.
really?
Look up.
Okay, I need to get this glitter. Okay, I'm gonna get this.
Okay, let me see. Okay, it's done.
Matang says the Korean nupi na Maitai nupi da Korean style da makeup tawwa loizare. Aduna mogi makeup se aina sum yengba matamda haidi yamna chamna isagi leijariba features sing za khazik tang khak hapchallaga tawe na makeup se yam chamme aduga yengba su yam natural oi aduga matam se yam kuin chang de minute 10 bo manung da dum loi aduna mafam gi matung ina makeup se chanabi ni haitare akhoi rom da tawba style adigi moi rom da tawba style khene aduna mathangi video da di amuk ningol chakouba gi second edition da aikoina chamin thangmina bagi video da oi thengnarsi Maria ga. Oh my, it's gonna take 2 days. Oh my. We haven't even started it yet.
Okay, did it?
Sige flavors na try those. Let's try it.